We are very happy to submit our product for the next round of evaluation. We thank the entire team for the selection. I am going to explain you the complete architecture and the methodology followed by a clear-cut demo. The product primarily focuses on handwriting recognition on the Exact Sciences application form. We take a picture and send it to our handwriting recognition module on the AWS server. Firstly, the localization will be done in order to identify where the handwriting may be present, and then coordinates should be noted. As the next step, each and every content in the bounding boxes will be sent into our deep learning model. The deep learning model is very efficient and is capable of identifying different handwriting styles. It essentially consists of feature extractor of 5 CNN layers added to 2 bidirectional LSTM having CTC loss function. All the content present in each and every bounding box will be identified precisely, and the entire thing, the different fields in the application form and the corresponding identified handwriting text will be stored in a non-relational database. We also provide you 2 APIs for uploading as well as for accessing the stored content in the DB. On uploading, the user can see what is identified text immediately and redo if there is any rectification requirement. After the successful upload, everything will be stored in a DB and the entire DB will be accessible by the admin. To make it very simple and precise, we will give you an Android app. The end user has to scan the form that has been given by Exact Sciences. The moment it is scanned, the image gets uploaded. We do the processing inside and immediately we identify the handwritten text. The outcome is immediately presented on the screen, and all these are pretty easy, and we are able to get variety of handwritings recognized, and we have tested it out with multiple handwriting patterns. You will see the demo right now, and I think you'll be able to understand the process pretty clearly. Thank you. We are launching our app right now, and you can see the Android app getting launched. The moment you launch it, the usage is very simple, and you can see that the path which is to be selected is available there. The moment you click it, you'll be taken to the files directory. I'm clicking the first file, which is handwritten, and you can see that it's displayed. The provider name is John. We will track if John is exactly recognized along with other information once we upload it. I am uploading it by pressing the post button, and once it is clicked, that's all. You can sit back and relax. The internal processing happens and our deep learning module gets everything detected, and that's it. You got it clearly. You can see the name of the person, John, in the 4th line from the bottom, and the rest of the details like Hyderabad, the billing city, the zip, everything is perfectly detected, and time is also presented to you as in how much time does it need for this detection. 1370 milliseconds is what we needed, and all the fields have been detected without any flaw. We did not miss one field even, and this is highly accurate, we could say. And most important point is this is also available as an Excel sheet for you to take it up later, and that can be used. We have tested it with variety of handwritings, and the second handwriting is going to be shown right now. It is all fully uppercase, and you can see that provider name is Sam and Chennai address is given. We will see if this is getting recognized nicely. We are uploading it right now, and you can see that the moment I click post, that's all. Sit back and relax. As I told you, you will get the result. And name is Sam. Chennai address is coming properly. All the details are available properly. The numeric, the alphabets, the numbers, everything is correct properly, and it's presented to you within seconds. The best thing about this setup is it's very fast, and it doesn't take much of the time for the end user to get the results. Also, it is very simple to use, and we would like to reiterate that point. I'm going to take up one more sheet now with different handwriting again, and we'll see if it is performing as expected. And this time it is Tom. The provider name is Tom, and Assam is given over there, and we will see if this is getting detected properly. This is a combination of uppercase and the lowercase letters that we used, so we should see if it is also getting detected nicely. The name Tom is appearing, and in the top you can see that Assam is also coming clearly, the Delhi address is coming clearly, the DOB is coming clearly, all the fields are perfect. We are getting everything nice out there, and I think this works fantabulous with all the sort of handwritings. We tested it with variety of handwritings, and even it goes nice with the uppercase letter, lowercase letter, a combination of upper and the lowercase letters, and it works fine. Now, the most important point, what if we upload an image which is not a textual image, which does not have any text field? I'm uploading an Iron Man image right now for your reference, and we should be getting nothing as a result. So our system recognizes that clearly as well, and time taken to do this is 1, 2, 3, 4 milliseconds, and we got nothing out there. So that's it. Our system is simple. We have an app for you. The end user can upload the content and you get it detected. Thank you.